Good afternoon guys. So, meron ako natanggap na dito guys, ayuda or like veggie guys. So, this is from Ate Miguelita. Hello Ate Miguelita, thank you. Kakarating ko lang sa bahay. And yeah, I got this one and thank you kasi may na ako ulit cucumber and ayan. Cucumber or pepino in Bisaya guys. This is what it looks like. Wait. Open ko muna. Kaya ba? Wait. Okay, this is cucumber, pepino in Bisaya, and this is garbanzos, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna make it with the salad, guys. So let's see it. And meron akong papaya, which is she knows that I like papaya, guys. Ayan, papaya. So kakainin ko siya for dessert tonight. Kakainin ko talaga diretso guys kasi habang fresh pa itong ating papaya. Ayan, papaya. Oh, ready na to eat. Tapos itong sa salad, yung garbanzos, yung siguro ang tawag, basta. And then here, wait, tingin ko lang. Dito is, binalik niya sa akin ang aking Tupperware. And I got kung anong laman dito, but I don't know what's this one. Maybe pickles? Yeah, thank you ate. Ayan. Pinoy na guys, pagkain. So ayan, thank you ate.
Proposal that is yet to figure out how to make it work. The Community Council says an ID system is important to stop money launderers.
And it allows you to innovate.
Hey guys, good afternoon. So we're all at home. Si Mr. nasa shed, may ginagawa guys. He's working on something. So I'm inside the house. And I've been cleaning before too guys. And kanina guys, pumunta kami sa may dagat, nag-walking and may doon, event. So, ayun, kasama ko yung kaibigan na si Pinty again. So, medyo maulan guys at the moment. But this morning, it was good. And yeah, this is my looks guys. Wala pa akong ligo. Maligo ako mamaya guys. And I'm just working a bit here. I'm working something. And yeah, that's it guys. So I'll just quick update. So today it's Saturday. Yeah, and mamaya guys magluto ko ng pizza. And see you then. Alright, I'll show you how I do it my pizza. I think there is an event.
Yeah, it's getting hot now. I think they go for cider.
My swimming competition, I think guys. And over there too, Pin. Look, they're paddling. Ah, it's a bit rough. The kids there. You wanna sit?
Looking for a good basket.
You wanna sit down there? Which is good. Yeah. guys. And meron na siyang ham, tapos pineapple, but I will add some olives, onion, cheese, and maybe anchovy as well. So yeah, that's it. That's our pizza for later. I have a special sauce here, guys. I-toppings ko siya sa pizza natin, and I have onions here, konti lang, since my mister doesn't really eat onions with the pizza. And I got some regular cheese and olives. So that's what I'm gonna do my toppings, and I'll work it out if I really put the anchovies. So ayan guys, that's our ingredients, and later on I'll show you. So ito na ang ating pizza guys. So I'm gonna cook it for dinner tonight. So ayan, walang masyadong meat, but may ham na siya. And yan na lang ina-add ko. So that's it. That's pretty it for our dinner. I'm gonna put it in the oven soon. Yeah.
Check natin guys ang ating pizza. And luto na siya. And this is our dessert tonight guys. Veggie.